Hey guys, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I have been MIA. I told y'all because of the fact that I started a new job and this job is very demanding, y'all, okay? So I'm looking like this because I just got off from work and I'm like, I got to get this video out because, girl, I need to be able to wear what I need to wear. So this video with FitVille is going to fit right in to this video very well because I'm working and I'm at a warehouse, y'all, and I'm telling you, it is demanding on my feet. My feet have been like, girl, I feel like I got jalapeno peppers at the bottom of my feet, okay? 8 hours of standing, and y'all know I'm in the beauty industry, but yet still I chose that, and it's for good reasons. But FitVille hit me up again, and I love FitVille shoes because they are very, very comfortable. They are very wide, friendly for, you know, if you need very wide. And working in a warehouse, girl, listen, you need your toes to not be reaching the top of that, shoe. So FitVille shoes is very comfortable. If you have like plantar fasciitis, or if you need a wide width, or if you have like arch problems with your feet or walking problems, you know, it fits right in to help your feet. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get right into this video. So the first pair that I do have is, let's see, I got my notes right here, y'all. FitVille women's Rebound Core shoes. Now, I bought these shoes before from FitVille, but what I did was I had got them. These are what I had before. And these right here, I had got the wrong size. They come in like wide, extra, extra wide, you know. So these was a size men 8 wide, US, what is that, US 8? Girl, my feet is too, listen, these, I love these shoes, but the thing is that they were, and y'all see I had worn, but they were actually too small for my feet, so I wore them anyway because I love them. I love them. But I thought because FitVille hit me up, girl, go ahead and get yourself another pair. So what I did was went on and ordered another pair. And this is the FitVille right here. This is the box. These are the FitVille women's Rebound Core shoes. And I got them in, they come in the wide E and extra wide 4E. So these are running shoes as well. Girl, the roomy toe box offers ample space for toes to spread naturally. Patent PropelCore Solec offers smooth movements with strong support. High resonance memory foam eases every stride with maximum cushioning. These shoes feel really good and working in the warehouse, y'all, okay? So these right here are, I got a size women's 10 now. I had to get a woman's 10, y'all, and I wore them one time, y'all, to work, and I'm gonna tell you, oh my goodness, like really, these shoes is amazing. So these are them right here, and it comes with like the care instructions and stuff like that. It's FitVille and the care instructions, and it comes packaged really good though, y'all, but I don't wore them, I'm telling you. So they have like the shoe bags in here for your shoes, and it's 2 of them, so one each for each feet. Now these right here are really, really nice. They are so comfortable, and I should be showing you the me trying them on right now. They are so comfortable on your feet. The cushioning is really good. I take this out so you can see the sole of it. Look at this. The thickness is really good and soft. Girl, I needed this because when you work in a warehouse on them hard floors, baby, listen, it is ridiculous. So if you can see, this is the shoe that I had before, and this is the shoe. You see the size of it is very, very different. You see, that's small. I needed something that was big and wide, and these are very, very, very nice. So these are them right there. Now, these other ones, I am going to wear them. Don't get it twisted, y'all. I am going to wear it, okay? So, let's see what else. Am I missing anything else? I mean, these shoes is just really nice, y'all. They designed for wide feet. 3 times more support. And if you see, they are like doing that right there. I hope my ring light is not whatchamacallit. You see that? Really nice. So the next ones that I had got was, these are the FitVille women's Amadeus tennis and pickleball court shoes. Y'all, I got these in the size 10. These shoes is gorgeous. These shoes is just so gorgeous. I'm gonna show them to y'all though. I'm gonna show them to y'all. And these shoes is just so nice. So I got these right here. It says free your toes, y'all. So, and I got these in a size 10 in women. Now, these are what I want to wear tomorrow to work. I want to wear them tomorrow because that's why I was like, I gotta get these out because, girl, I want to wear them tomorrow. So these are what they look like. And honey, they are so wide width, so nice, so much room up the top of here for me. Look at these. These are so pretty, so pink and so pretty. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty, y'all. So this is the tongue that's inside of here. It's really nice and thick. Yes, baby. Give me what I need. I love the heel because this is what the concrete was, you know, this will stop the concrete right here. This right here will stop the concrete from me hitting against my feet, for my knees and hurting me. But these are so cute, y'all. I'm almost afraid to wear them at the warehouse because, girl, I don't want to mess them up. I don't want to get them dirty. But this is what I've been wearing right here, my FitVilles, y'all. And I have not worn these yet. So I want to wear these tomorrow because they're pink and they're so cute. And girl, I mean, they so cushiony. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to tell you, listen, after doing 8 hours, actually today I did 10 hours, y'all. 10 hours. We had overtime. 10 hours on my feet, baby. I need a break. So I'm pretty sure I'm showing it, or I showed it already to you guys, what it was that, you know, how they look. So I was going to do like a wear test and things like that, but I don't have time to do a wear test, y'all, because I be like, you know, I got to get to bed. I got to be to work. Well, tomorrow I have to be to work from 6 to 4:30. So in other words, I'm out the door at 5 something, and that's crazy. Okay, so these are like if you're playing tennis and stuff like that. So you know, if they work good when playing tennis, honey, they have good cushion support, all of this. I mean, you know, the customer reviews is like outstanding, y'all. Okay, so get your hands on it. If you have a problem with your feet, y'all, don't play around. Okay, because I'm gonna tell you, I can't play around. I went and bought me some shoes that was from what did I buy? Something limited, some type of shoes, and I had bought a pair of Pumas. Girl, listen, those ones was not comfortable for my feet. I was hurting so bad. But then I tried the FitVille. What I did was took the tongue out of the FitVille shoes. Girl, what? What? I was getting my life on with those shoes. But I like the fact that the FitVille shoes has wide, extra wide. Now, when I do order again, I do want, I wear a size 10. I know that I have to get a size 11 at the job. But if I wasn't at the job, then I would wear my 10s regularly. You know what I'm saying? But they still work for me, you know. But when I do order again, I do want a size 11. They're going to be big on me, y'all. But those are ones I'm just going to specifically wear specifically for work. And that's it. You know what I'm saying? Because my FitVille tennis shoe, I have a lot of FitVille tennis shoes that I got from FitVille before. And I did videos on them, y'all. And I do wear them all, and I don't want to wear them and get them messed up in a warehouse, okay? So I do have a coupon code for you guys, as well as yeah, get some money off, okay? Get some money off them shoes, y'all, because I'm telling you, you need them. If you exercising, if you are working out, they are good for all of that. If you just walk, you know, you just want to walk or just stroll, whatever, play tennis, whatever you're doing, honey, volleyball, whatever you're doing, you need FitVille, okay? You need FitVille. I'm telling you, and y'all know I always be honest with you, you need FitVille. So I have a coupon code for you guys. That way you can be able to get some money off. And also check out, they have sandals, y'all. They have like slides and stuff like that, you know, but I didn't get it because I needed something for that warehouse. But they have slides. They have some cute little shoes, you know, they have, as well as men, okay, some cute little women's shoes, you know, that you can be able to, you know, just put on, honey, and just, you know, my feet hurting right now, girl, okay, and I want to wear those tomorrow, so I'm going to wear them tomorrow. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And I will put everything down in the description bar. That way that you'll be able to know what it is that I have, as well as going to their website to see what else they have on their website for you. Whatever fits you, honey, it would be FitVille, okay? Anyway, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And thank you so much, FitVille, for sending me out these shoes. They are amazing, and I love them because it makes my job easier, well, a little bit more easier at the warehouse. At least I don't have to really worry about the blow to my knees, okay? Because y'all know I need a knee replacement, okay? So Anyway, y'all, I love y'all so much. I miss y'all so much. So you already know, like your girl J Baby says. She says, be blessed and not stressed. Wow.